Hey, I'm finally out here where we planted the potatoes in the rabbit feed bags and in the laundry baskets to see if they actually did anything. Okay, I'm not expecting much, to be honest with you. I had one or two vines pop up out of these rabbit feed bags, and they're actually rotting. Come around here, cameraman. That is ridiculous. In the videos that I saw on the internet, I didn't see any of that. They still look nice and pretty, so I have my doubts about the authenticity of those. The reason I waited so long is this one actually decided at the last minute to grow another potato. You can actually see where this is still green, but it's died down. So I was giving it every opportunity to see if it would produce anything. I mean, I'm hoping it did. I planted these really late. We had really high temperatures and we've had tons of rain. So your guess is as good as mine. I have resisted the temptation to get in there and see. But I've not, because I wanted you guys to see with me. Okay, let's start down here. Okay. The one on the very end, I have strawberries in it, so I'm not even going to go down there. We'll deal with that one this spring when they start to grow again. Okay. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm not holding my breath, to be honest with you, but we'll see. Be honest with you, it smells. I should have brought a little shovel, but I didn't. You can see how slimy wet that is. And out of this one, as you can see, 0 potatoes, not even the ones that we put in there. Okay. One down, a few more to go. Okay. This one is actually a real grow bag that I bought. We'll see if that has any different results. That one is not nearly as soaking wet as that one. So maybe we'll have a potato. I don't know. I doubt it. Huh. Well, shoot, I dropped it. It's about the size of a pea. Here we go. That's a potato that grew. Well, so far I definitely am not impressed by this at all. I don't think that's worth the effort. Okay, on to the next one. This is about what I expected, to be honest with you. I was hoping to get at least enough potatoes to cook for one meal out of it. Several of these did have nice green potato plants growing out of them. But like I say, with all the rain, anything that would have grew probably rotted. Ah, there we go. That's the biggest one so far. Hey. Also, they evidently will grow. Maybe I had too much of the straw in there and it held too much moisture in. That's always a possibility. Okay, on to the next ones. I think out of these 3 bags right here, this one right here is the only one that even had one come up. So I don't see the need in dumping all 3 on camera. If by some miracle I find something, I'll let you guys know. But I mean, this is pitiful.
It's a rat right there, a mouse.
A mouse?
Yeah.
Alive?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
It's,
I see it right here.
Yeah, right there.
It's a little one. It's a baby.
Oh.
I'm not sure where the rest of the family is. No, that's a mole.
Oh, is it?
See its nose?
Oh.
A mole or a vole one, I don't really know the difference, but...
Don't let Buddy see it.
Okay. So that's the highlight of this so far. About, let's see, 3, 6, counting that one over there, 7 little potatoes so far, and a vole. Okay. I mean, I'm of the theory you never know till you try. And I tried, but it didn't work, in my opinion. But it should have. Like I say, probably too much straw in there. Okay. Alright, I see one little potato so far. Look. That was a parent potato. That was slimy.
Wasn't there?
Hey. Now that don't look too bad. So guys, that gives me hope. These are probably, yeah, this is the green one, so that's the one that, the last one. Here's another little one. It is over here. I found 5 or 6 that size. And, all right, one last basket. So you think we're going to find any in here? This one had some growing. There's the old stem, so maybe. Okay, here we go. Oh, that basket broke. Crap. And as you can see, this dirt's just sopping wet. So maybe if I had not put all the hay in there like they said, or straw I should say, it would have worked. But, well, I told you whenever I started this project back several months ago, I would be honest with you and give you true results. So, 10 little bitty potatoes, I don't think that's going to be much for feeding the family. What about you? Will I try it again? I don't know. Maybe. With less straw in there. I don't know. The one that was the driest was the one in the actual grow bag. But I still don't think I got anything out of that one. Maybe one little one. Anyway, I consider this a failure. Have you ever grown potatoes in baskets like this? If you've been successful, or even if you haven't, let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching. I was hoping I would have a better show for you, but not today. Have a good one. See you on the next video.